You guys, I'm McKellen. I'm a star consultant out of Lafayette, Louisiana, and today I have our Easter collection haul to share with y'all. Everything is still available except the Bunny Trails truck lid, which sold out within like the first day, if I'm not mistaken, or first 12 hours, something like that. It was crazy how fast it sold out. But I did get my hands on that, which I'm super excited about. So I will share it even though it's not available, but everything else still is. First, I'm going to start with our 3-bar Easter collection. It comes with this cute little basket, perfect for the 3 bars. It's tiny. You can see by my hand, but it is absolutely adorable. Scentsy definitely puts detail into everything. The first bar is Lemon Heaven. If you got a whiff box this month, then you got a sneak peek of this bar, and I am in love with it. It is so good. They took lemon drizzle cake out of the catalog for this season, which I'm very upset about. But this one is a very good replacement for it, even though it's not in the catalog. This is just an LTO. Oh, it's so good. I love it. But Lemon Heaven is sweet vanilla bean, sugared almond, and lemonade. But it is just so perfect. You really don't get too much almond. It's kind of like a lemon cookie. But oh, it is so good. I had a chance to warm it the other day because I got it in the whiff box, and oh, I love it. It is perfect. Definitely one of my favorites now. The next one is Peach Paradise. This one is White Woods, vanilla bean, tangerine, and peach. Ooh, this one is really good. Scentsy does a really good peach, but it can either be really good or it can be pretty funky. But this is a really good one. You definitely get the peach. I really don't get much tangerine. There may be just a slight hint of it. I really don't get any white woods or vanilla bean though. This one is mainly peach for sure. Ooh, that one's good though. Definitely fruity for sure. And that is Peach Paradise. The next one is Prickly Pear Flair. A mouthful, if you ask me. Ooh. I was thinking maybe this would be similar to Prickly Pear Agave because it has the pink front with the green wax, but it's nothing like that. Prickly Pear Flair is sparkling bubbles, tangy pineapple, and prickly pear medley. And it is so good. You definitely get a little bit of all of that. It's definitely more pear forward, but you get a slight touch of the pineapple and a little bit of the sparkling bubbles. Ooh, that one's really good. This collection is awesome. You can only buy these bars in the 3-bar collection for $17, or if you just want one or two of them, you can add them to a Scentsy club and get them that way. Or, not or, if you love them, you can either keep them in it or you can cancel the club or delete them out of the club. But that is the 3-bar Easter collection. Super, super cute, and they smell so good. I cannot wait to warm those. So excited. As long as I loved Lemon Heaven from the Whiff Box, I grabbed 2 packs of pods in it. Sometimes the pods smell differently than the wax, but these are definitely very close. I think you get more lemon in the pods, but they're pretty dang close. Also, with the Easter collection, we brought back our Bambi collection, which has the Bambi Buddy, the Thumper Buddy, the new Flower Buddy, the Twitter pated scent pack, and the Twitter pated bar. I did memorize the notes on the 3 Easter bars, but I cannot remember the notes for this one. But I've smelled it before, and it is so good. So happy they brought this back. This is a really good fresh scent. Very good fresh scent. Kind of manly to me, but you get a bit of green in it. Oh, it's so good. I'm so glad they brought this one back. Definitely perfect for like spring cleaning and stuff like that. All right. I got the Fluffy Bunny Charm Clip, and she is scented in, I believe, Peach Paradise, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my goodness, how freaking cute. I'm pretty sure it's Peach Paradise. She smells amazing. Look how stinking cute with her little ears. And she has a little tail right here. Super, super cute. You have the charms with the tassel. Super adorable. And she's super, super soft. So excited. Love her. All right. Now, the next thing I don't have to show y'all, I have the box, but I don't have the actual thing. My little one confiscated her. I got her Bambi and Thumper last year, so I had to get her Flower this year. Flower is new to the Bambi collection this year, and my little one is obsessed with the Bambi movie and everything. So she's almost 3, so she's still learning how to talk. I don't know why I'm trying to open this. So it's so cute whenever she's looking for shower, shower, where are you? It's so funny. I love it. It is the cutest thing. But that is Flower. And she comes with a Twitter pated scent pack. All of the Bambi Buddies, Bambi Thumper, and Flower all come with the Twitter pated scent pack. I will try my best to get my hands on her from my little one. She's sleeping right now, so I don't want to wake her up. She's snuggling with her. But I will try to get her at some point and take pictures or get her into some video. I got the retro paint truck warmer. This one was a warmer of the month last year. I believe it was either March or April's warmer of the month. I did not get it last year. I don't know why, but I didn't. So when I saw they were bringing it back for the Easter collection, I was like, oh, I have to get it. So I grabbed it. I'm not going to plug it in because it doesn't light up. It is an element warmer, but the headlights and the taillights do light up. It comes with the flower delivery lid, which it'll sit in the truck of the bed like this, but super, super cute. And this is the warmer. It's just like our other retro trucks that we have. It's just pink. But yeah, like I said, the headlights and the taillights. It's hitting the flower lid. The headlights and the taillights do light up. There are LED lights in them. but the warmer itself does not. There is a heating element underneath the bed right here that will heat the wax up. And that is how that fits in there. Super, super cute. So glad I got my hands on it this year. I cannot remember the wattage on that. I think it's either an 8 or a 9 watt if I'm not mistaken. And the last thing I grabbed was the Bunny Trails truck lid. So instead of the flowers for Easter, I will be putting this one. And then once Easter is done and I take down my Easter, I'll put the flowers into it for spring. Oh my goodness, how stinking cute. It's adorable. Super, super cute. Let me grab this one. He sits on the truck bed like that. Super cute. So happy I was able to snag him. And yes, it does cover the wax, but there are holes in the lid to let the scent out. So you should not have an issue with scent throw. Same for the flower lid. And I have the pumpkin delivery lid, which also has holes, and the special delivery Christmas tree lid, which also has holes. They all have holes to let the scent throw out. So that is not an issue at all. But super, super cute. So happy I was able to get this before it sold out. I literally jumped on as soon as the collection launched and ordered it right away. That and flour, just because, I mean, I ordered everything together, but those were the first two things I put in my cart so I could hurry and add everything else to make sure I got it all. But that is part of our Easter collection for this year. We also have fragrance flowers, uh, pods. What else do we have? A Scentsy Air, which is the hop to it diffuser, tabletop fan diffuser. I have that already. I got that last year. He did make a return this year and super adorable. We have the Bambi and Thumper Scentsy Buddies. We have, I'm trying to think what else we have. We have a pretty big Easter collection. So if y'all haven't checked it out, go check it out. I'll leave my link in the details below along with my join link. So if you'd like to join my team, I would love to have you. This has been one of the best experiences I have ever done, and I love it. I wouldn't trade it for the world. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoy.